This relative risk way of presenting data is not the best way to present it for conditions that are very rare. So breast cancer in general is not that common. Yes, it happens in women, but it's considered rare. It's not that common. So any additional cases that you notice take place, relatively, it's a very large percentage. But in terms of absolute numbers, it's not that many. And so one example, when the data came out, they said hormone therapy causes an increased relative risk of breast cancer by 26%. That 26% is a very large number to anybody who doesn't even know any math or statistics. It's a very large number. But what it's comparing is one small number to another small number. What they actually noticed was additional 8 breast cancer cases over 10,000 women. That's what that 26% was showing.